Building one cable is not terribly difficult. Building that same cable over and over, thousands of times, can be a true challenge. Putting a process together that's going to build in the quality during that process, not inspected in, not tested in, although we will inspect that cable and we will test that cable, but the true measure of quality will come in how it's built. Picking the right tool for the right job is imperative. Selecting the right tool is half the battle. A good cable house should have a large selection of hand tools, a large selection of applicators, and a great ability to get them if they don't. You need a cable house with an easily repeatable process. What makes up this repeatable process is staff, experienced staff, well-trained staff, and well-maintained equipment. Building a cable is not rocket science. With the right people, with the right tools, the right quality controls, you can make that cable. You can make that cable over and over and over. Without those three things, you're going to have a very difficult time.